Okay, so these are the oval hoops. I love these so much because it gives that very simple hoop look, but just like a little detail to make it more unique. And honestly, you could wear it with anything. You could wear it every day or to an event, whatever it may be. These are perfect for that. It does come in gold and silver. So again, you have different options. But yeah, so I really, really love these. I just love the simplicity to them. But so there's that. Did I share them? Yeah, I did. Okay. Oh, and those also came with a little gift bag as well. Okay, then the last item I was going to share. Oops. The last item I was going to share. Okay. This is the